Looking like we getting something started today. Cause our body no play. Tell them girl levels to the glow. Murder on the dance floor, how you moving it, babe? I'm taking the bait. I just wanna dance with you all night, yeah. Me no care what happen tomorrow. Girl, you got me caught in the moment. Feeling like I knew you all my life, oh. I can take my eyes off you, baby. When you pull me close to the body, get the party started now, now, now. Girl, you such a good find. You deserve a good time. Let me hold you down, down, down. Body floating like a cruise line.
Up the black carpet that's outside on the patio, and here are the curtains. I am going to be changing out the curtain rod, and I'm changing out the curtains, and I am going to remove the red, but I'm gonna keep the black and white, and then we're going to get some more pillows or get pillowcases. Okay, so this is what, you know, the living room looks like. It's still plain. Okay, we're going to get some pictures. That's coming soon, but right now we're just laying down the foundation. So I got my rug right there. I got the rod right here, and then I got the curtains that matches the rug. We're going to start in the living room. I'll go to the bedroom last, and then we're going to go to the kitchen. The bathroom.
You got me caught up in the moment. Murder on the dance floor. Yeah. Want this forever, forever. Get the party started now, now, now. Girl, you such a good find. You deserve a good time. Let me hold you down, down, down. Body floating like a cruise line. Won't you be my moonshine?
These are not even hooks. Them things right there, they are little stickers, and I'm kind of scared to pull them off because I'm thinking it might take off the tape. And all you do is attach the rod to it, so that way you don't have to drill holes. But I am not in the mood to have paint being removed, and those things are pretty sturdy. I even got them in my room, and I don't have time for that. All right, so the rods I got from Amazon. I will link them in my Amazon storefront. Okay, so this is one rod. I gotta put it together. So it comes with instructions. I don't want instructions. I really don't. I don't like to have a lot of instructions. So I'm assuming these are the brackets, but I don't need the brackets. So I'm just gonna store those up somewhere so I don't have to worry about it. Oh my goodness. Too much. So this here goes up to 85 inches long. The one I previously had up there only went 45, which is why it kind of sunk in the middle. So I'm just gonna undo these. All right, so I finally figured out that these are the crystals right here, okay? So I finally figured that these here are the outer because they screw these on. So I thought these were the extenders, but they're not. Which is annoying because there's no alphabet stickers on here to tell me what connects with what. I don't like that. So I guess you stick it like this. I don't know. This is annoying. But I don't want to break that. So let me put that down. Alright. Do these go in together? No. Do these go in together? Ooh. In at the, okay, we got it, we got it, we got it, I got it. So it's easy to assemble. Yeah, somewhat. All right, so now let's go ahead and open up the curtains. Ooh la la. Yeah, baby. What is it? Oh, it comes with the little attachment. Okay, the little. My husband was thinking we should get like a sheer curtain. I have a sheer curtain, but I'm using that for the room. No, I like it to go inward. So let me go this way. So this way, this way, that way, this way, oh, that way, this way, that way. All right. It is in brown and gold and black, okay? And we got the brown mats. Oh, I forgot to get a new trash can. Crap. So I got to get one. So this is what it looks like. And then now we're going to change it. Uh-oh. Yep, now we're going to change it. Yeah. again, Amazon, link everything, and I'll be right. So now let's go into the bathroom. Okay, so it's not the best of how I would like it. Wait, what is going on here? All right. Yeah, so it's not the best. Okay. This is what all I can do. Let's go ahead and start down here. All right, so these rugs, I'm not a fan of them. They are suede and they're very thin. Okay, so it gives a little cheap. This is not plastic, but I mean, it's okay. I did keep my other shower curtain because I need to get a clear white one, a thicker one, because I like the thick shower curtains that you can put in the washer. These you change about every few weeks. I just went on ahead and used the white clips that they already gave me. I do have some black ones that are double-sided. So one is for the shower curtain, like the sheer inner liner. So one is for the shower curtain and the other side is for the shower liner. So that way you don't have to take both out when you're trying to change out the liner. So I like the double-sided one, which is somewhere. When I find it, then I'll put them up. I went on ahead and added the flowers right here because I felt like it would give it some little touch. I just went on ahead and just added red since that is what I already had on hand. So this is what we got right here. Okay, that is it. That is all for this. So I went on ahead and added a little picture right there. If these were smaller, I would have put 2 up there because that would look a lot better. But I just felt like it gave it some little warmth and touch to the bathroom. So what I was thinking about doing is in this upper space, you know, like the little flowers that go at an angle, I'm going to put that up there. I'm not sure if I'm going to do golds or just do black, but for right now, this is what I got. So for the floor right here, I don't like the idea that I don't have anything right here when I'm used to having a rug. So I could redo my cabinets, but when it's time to go, I'm not trying to redo this. No thanks. So here is the room. All right, one last quick look, and then I took the other thing down. So okay, so I forgot that I did not show the finale of the room, but this is what the bed looks like. Yeah, so everything has been taken off the wall, so I got to get some pictures to put up there, and you know, get some plants in here, something. But this is basically what it looks like. I'm filming on my iPad, so I can't zoom out, but yeah, this is basically what it all looks like right now. Nothing spectacular, but as I said in the beginning of the video, I'm just laying down the foundation, and then we're going to put up the you know, pictures and everything like that over here. So of course this is my beauty space. So yeah, we will get it fixed up before the summer, and I'll give you more updates later. Thank you so much for tuning in. Goodbye, gorgeous.